Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Barbie's cowboy outfit on Dress to Impress, removing everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. I don't think I did any to the hair. Actually, I just used this one in the half front in blonde, in this blonde here. For the cowboy hat, I obviously used the cowboy hat in all white. In the first toggle, position the Y at 0.46, Z 0.43, and rotate the X to 0.76, and scale it to 0.51. For the kind of like scarf, get the scarf here and color this color D5407A, and then position the X to 0.51, the Y to 0.64, rotate the X to 0.63, Y to 0.16, and Z to 0.67, and scale it to 0. For the top, I'm going to be using this one in the third toggle in matte. Color it that color and in like a gray. And then for the non-VIP version, you're just going to use this one here without the flower in this color, the same as the top in matte. And then you're just going to get these boots in the ankle length in this gray here, in metallic, in silk. And then in that same color too for the bottom. And that is it for the non-VIP version. But if you have VIP, you can also upgrade your look with these pants here. Either use the second or the first toggle, like the second one. Select this in matte, and that in matte too, and the rest just that same color. Then to cover it up, we're going to use these in the type 2 toggle in that same color. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.